Hello, presenting this beautiful wind chime from Kosam Crafts. It has got two small cowbells and a small ring. A small wind chime, but very beautiful. It looks very gorgeous. You can decorate your window, door, balcony or any other space using this wind chime. These two cowbells are actually made of recycled iron sheet which have been coated with brass. They have been put into a high temperature furnace and it gives it a very rustic and beautiful look. This clapper is made of wood. This whole piece makes beautiful sound. So place it wherever there is a wind and then it will keep making beautiful sound for you all the day. It's very refreshing. Right, I'll give you an idea of its measurements. So the length or gross length is approximately 20 centimeters top to bottom, right? And then the width is 7.5 centimeters. You can buy them in bulk quantities from Kosam Crafts. Yeah, that's our company, Kosam Crafts. You can write us at inquiry@kosam.com, or maybe you can call us or WhatsApp +91 886 000 8458. Thank you.